Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove TikTok watermark. So in here, you can just first open the TikTok apps and then find the videos that you want to save. So in this case, I'm going to just use my videos. I'm going to save my videos in here. So as you guys knew that if you directly download a video from TikTok, it will save with a TikTok watermark. And let's see. I'm going to just click on the three dots icon and then click on save video. Let's just wait until the saving is done. So you can use any apps of it, actually to remove the TikTok watermark. But here I'm going to show you how you can delete the watermark using CapCut. Okay, so now the video is done saving and let's just go back. Here I'm going to just open the CapCut apps and then let's click on new projects and add the video that you just saved. Okay, so here's the video. As you guys can see here, there will be watermark, and so I'm going to just add. So TikTok watermark is usually moving from left to right. If you move forward, now the watermark will move to the right side. So what you need to do is just click on a video and let's just zoom it in until the watermark is no longer there. And let's see. Also at the front, you can adjust the position again if there's still watermark visible. And now the watermark is gone. So that's how you can remove TikTok watermark. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.